significant development, the 5 city corporations in Bengaluru have warned employees keeping census duties of stern action after several staff members reportedly failed to report citing workload. Among them, the Bengaluru North City Corporation on Saturday issued show cause notices to 527 employees who failed to report for enumeration duty. The corporation warned that criminal cases would be initiated under Section 11 of the Census Act and Section 223 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita. Officials also stated that internal disciplinary action would be taken as per service rules. Authorities said over 23,000 enumerators and around 2,500 supervisors have been deployed for census work across the city. The GBA claimed that each enumerator had been assigned around 200 houses for enumeration work. However, several enumerators contradicted this claim, stating that they had been asked to cover nearly 300 houses. A 51-year-old school teacher from Athigupe said that although the official figure mentioned 200 houses, she was handling at least 350 houses. She also alleged that enumerators had been warned against speaking about the workload. Officials further revealed that some enumerators had started bringing relatives to help them complete the assigned work. In one such instances, an enumerator brought along a relative who had just completed her 10th board examination. The enumerator said that due to medical problems, it was difficult to complete the work alone. He added that the relative who was on vacation had come forward to assist in completing the enumeration work. Meanwhile, the Bengaluru North City Corporation reiterated that strict action would be taken against employees who fail to report for census duties.